Alright, I have problems with my feet getting really cold, about 73 degrees. So, we came up with an idea for a foot warmer. Basically, one cinder block, and to get it started, you can use 2, 4 in each chamber, however many, or even one of those candles that has 3 wicks, just as long as it fits in the chamber. But those are just tea candles, and they burn for about an hour and a half a piece. And it gets, with the back sealed off, forces the air out. And it's just one cinder block last night, and I was really toasty here. Just sitting in a chair, and I could put my feet on top. And that's really warm. I don't have a laser thermometer, but it's not too hot to put on, but it's nice and warm. And it's kicking heat out from the cavities too. So once it warms up, just one candle is enough to keep it going. And then over here, it's out right now, but we made a space heater out of 2 cinder blocks and 4 tea candles. And that seems to work really well for just heating up a space.